Machine maintenance is hard. The sheer volume of motors in your facility and variety of motor types means you need to employ costly experts or a range of solutions to cater to the array of assets you might wish to monitor. Route-based maintenance approaches are challenging and can still miss critical warning signs, which result in unplanned downtime. They also don't alleviate the need for scheduled downtime on critical assets, whether it's required or not. What's needed is a robust, turnkey hardware and software solution, agnostic of motor type and delivering benefits such as maintaining critical production conditions, optimizing energy generation processes, and augmenting the delivery of critical goods and resources across multiple industry segments. A platform that covers the most critical diagnostics built on decades of experience, all from a partner who are at the forefront of translating environmental data into actionable insights and coupled with a great user experience. ADI OtoSense Smart Motor Sensor is an AI-based, high-performance predictive maintenance platform. Created by Analog Devices, the leader in interpreting real-world physical measurements, the Smart Motor Sensor allows for 24/7 monitoring of all your low to medium voltage electric motors. ADI OtoSense SMS uses Analog Devices' best-in-class sensors, measurement techniques, and algorithms to provide meaningful, actionable insights. ADI OtoSense SMS measures multi-axis vibration, magnetic field, and temperature conditions of the motor. Once mounted, the Smart Motor Sensor automatically initiates a learning mode, creating a unique model of the motor as it operates in your environment. The model is customized to each motor and enables mechanical and electrical fault diagnostics of the most common fault types. A performance indicator identifies potential systemic issues that are indicative of a load problem or process change that may require further action within the manufacturing process. Unlike other systems which provide limited, lower quality data, ADI OtoSense SMS provides diagnostics and severity level insights along with recommended actions to address them, therefore minimizing unexpected failures. ADI OtoSense SMS enables easy-to-set-up, real-time monitoring in a matter of minutes, allowing you to extend your predictive maintenance strategy beyond your most critical assets. ADI OtoSense Smart Motor Sensor unlocks operational efficiencies such as more informed maintenance planning, spare parts inventory management, and increased uptime, ultimately optimizing your manufacturing environment while simultaneously reducing costs.